Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel US Immigration. We hope you're doing great. In this video we will talk about USCIS updates family-based green card new process. Welcome to our video on Form I-485, the application to register permanent residence or adjust status. This form is essential for those seeking to obtain a green card in the United States. Will cover the key points you need to know, including eligibility, required documents, and the filing process. Let's get started on your journey to permanent residency. If you are interested in this topic, so to get all the information, pay attention and watch the video through to the end. Please hit like and subscribe, and don't forget to push the notification bell for an upcoming video. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. What is USCIS Form I-485 Adjustment of Status? The next step in the family-based green card process after submitting Form I-130 Petition for Alien Relative is to submit Form I-485 Application for Adjustment of Status in the context of a marriage-based green card. The purpose of Form I-485 is to prove that the foreign spouse is eligible for U.S. permanent residency. The spouse whose signature is on the I-485 is referred to as the applicant. When the foreign husband or wife is present in the United States, it is often possible to file the I-130 and the I-485 simultaneously, a process known as concurrent filing. How long does the I-485 take to process? Form I-485 processing times. The processing time for Form I-485 for family-based applications is currently between 10 and 23 months. Processing times can vary depending on your category of adjustment and which USCIS field office is handling your application. If you have filed Form I-140 for an employment-based adjustment of status, your I-140 must be approved first before your I-485 can be processed. Form I-485 to green card timeline. The time it takes from filing Form I-485 to receiving a green card can range from a few months to a few years, depending on various factors. These include your eligibility to adjust your status, the relationship with the U.S. citizen or permanent resident who has petitioned on your behalf, and the USCIS Service Center processing your application. You can check the processing times for your USCIS Service Center using this tool. Expedited processing for Form I-485. Premium processing is not available for Form I-485, however, you may request expedited processing through the USCIS Contact Center. Be sure to have your 13-digit USCIS Form I-485 receipt number handy to ensure your request is forwarded to the correct office. How much does Form I-485 cost? The government filing fee for an I-485 application is $1,440 in some situations. This fee might be lower or waived entirely. For details, refer to the filing fee section of the I-485 instructions. Eligibility. Who can file Form I-485? An applicant can file an I-485 based on 7 major categories listed on the form: family-based, employment-based, special immigrant, asylum or refugee, human trafficking victim or crime victim, special programs, and additional options. These categories are further divided into 27 subcategories for clarity. For a marriage-based green card, only a foreign spouse physically present in the United States can file an I-485 to apply for a green card. The spouse must have entered the United States on a valid visa, and an immigrant visa must be immediately available. For the spouse, this means that Form I-130 must already have been approved, or both the I-130 and the I-485 forms must be concurrently filed. Who cannot file Form I-485? Certain individuals are not eligible to file Form I-485, including those who entered the United States as crewmen, those who entered for transit purposes, e.g., on their way to another country, those admitted as witnesses or informants, those who are deportable due to involvement in terrorist activities or associations with terrorist groups. Additionally, there are inadmissibility grounds that may prevent filing Form I-485, including health-related grounds, example, having a communicable disease or mental health condition; criminal grounds, example, conviction of certain crimes; security grounds, example, posing a threat to U.S. national security; violations of immigration laws, example, previous breaches of U.S. immigration laws; public charge grounds, example, likely dependence on public benefits; other grounds, example, entering the U.S. to practice polygamy, being an international child abductor, voting unlawfully. Depending on the family relationship or the category of the green card, waivers may be available to remedy some of these grounds of disqualification. Supporting documents. The I-485 application must be filed with supporting documents to prove eligibility for a green card. If you don't have all the documents on hand, you can start your application and gather the supporting documents as you go. For a marriage-based I-485 application, you must include proof that the spouse entered the United States with a valid visa, copy of the prior visa and I-94 travel record, proof of the foreign spouse's nationality, copy of birth certificate and foreign passport, proof of the sponsoring spouse's ability to financially support the spouse seeking a green card, copy of the sponsoring spouse's latest federal income tax returns and pay stubs. If the spouse seeking a green card has ever been arrested, proof that there was no conviction, certified copy of the court record. A medical examination performed by a USCIS-approved doctor. Find a doctor using the USCIS tool. Secondary evidence. If a required document is unavailable, you must submit alternative documents, secondary evidence, to help USCIS make a decision on your I-485 application. For instance, if your birth certificate is not available, Obtain a statement from the relevant government agency in your home country certifying its unavailability. Then, submit alternative documents such as baptism records, school records, or census records showing your date of birth, place of birth, and your parents' names if these are also unavailable. Provide written statements from at least 2 people with personal knowledge of your birth details. Conclusion Form I-485 is a crucial step in the green card application process for those seeking permanent residency based on family relationships. It's an opportunity to prove your eligibility for a green card, and careful preparation and submission of supporting documents are essential. If you have any questions or need assistance, consulting with an immigration attorney or a qualified professional can provide valuable guidance. Thank you for exploring Form I-485 with us. We hope this video has simplified the process and provided valuable insights. For more help, consult a professional or the appropriate authorities. Best of luck on your journey to becoming a permanent resident of the United States. That is all for today in this video. Please let us know in the comments section below. Thanks for watching the entire video. Hopefully the information is useful to you. See you later in the next video. Till then, take care.
Hello everyone, welcome back to channel US Immigration. We hope you're doing great. In this video, we will talk about USCIS family-based green card new process. Form I-485 application for adjustment of status is used to prove a foreign spouse eligibility for US permanent residency following the submission of Form I130 petition for alien relative. Where the foreign spouse is in the US, concurrent filing of Form I130 and I-485 is often possible. The processing time for the Form I-485 is in family-based applications ranges from 10 to 23 months depending on the adjustment category and the USCIS field office. For employment-based adjustment, Form I-140 must be approved first. The timeline for filing Form I-485 to receiving a green card can vary from a few months to several years, influenced by eligibility, relationship with the petitioner, and processing center. While premium processing is unavailable, expedite processing can be requested through the USCIS contact center with the 13-digit receipt number. The filing fee for the Form I-485 is $1,440 with potential reductions or waivers in specific situations. Applicants can file based on 7 major categories including family-based and employment-based, divided into 27 subcategories. For a marriage-based green card, only a foreign spouse physically present in the US with a valid visa can file Form I-485. Ineligibility includes crewmen, transit visitors, witness informants, and those reportable for terrorist activities. Inadmissibility grounds encompass health issues, criminal records, security risks, immigration law violations, and the likelihood of becoming a public charge. Waivers may be available for certain disqualifying factors. A marriage-based I-485 application must include proof of valid visa on entry, nationality, financial support, and medical examination. If required documents are unavailable, secondary evidence such as alternative documents or affidavits must be provided. Form I-485 is a crucial step in the green card application process requiring meticulous preparation and documentation. Consulting an immigration attorney or a qualified professional is advisable for assistance.